Hi, welcome back to the channel HBNR families. So this is the sewing section of this short collar v-neck. Let's get started and let's see how we are going to be cutting the short collar and how we are going to be stitching it to the v-neck. If you are just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video, please. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already joined the shoulder of the clothes together. I've joined the front and back together, but I haven't attached the sleeves to it because I need to attach the short collar to it before attaching the sleeves to it. So I'm going to fold it like this and take the measurement of the v-neck. So I'm going to take the measurement on fold like this. So any measurement I get, I'm going to multiply it by 2. So I'm going to start the measurement here and I'm going to end the measurement at this angle, so which is 13.5. So 13.5 multiplied by 2, it will gives me 27. So I'm going to draw a straight line here for my starting point to cut the short collar. So I'm going to mark half of an inch. And from that half of an inch, I'm going to apply the v-neck length, which is 27 inches. So after marking the 27, I'm going to add extra half of an inch to it as well. So I'm going to extend the line upward like this. So I'm going to use 1 1/4 for my collar stand. So I'm using 1 1/4, which is 1.25 for the collar stand. After marking it all around, I'm going to connect it together like this. I'm going to take the measurement of 2.5. I'm going to mark 2.5 here at the left hand side, and I'm going to mark 2.5 here also. So I'm going to extend the line upward. So now I'm going to use 2 inches for my collar. I don't like it to be too big, but if you want to draft your own, please use at least 3 inches. So I marked 2 inches. Don't forget, at least try to use 3 inches. So I'm going to connect it together like this. So after connecting it together, I'm going to measure 2.5 inches here. After marking the 2.5 inches, I'm going to make a slant line like this. And I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to mark 2.5 inches. And I'm going to make a slant line like this. So after that, I'm going to cut it out. So after we cut it out, so this is the actual measurement, which is 27 inches. So I added extra half of an inch to both sides. So I'm going to place this pattern, I'm going to place it on the fabric like this, like this. The fabric I'm using here is thick jersey material. So I'm going to cut out the pattern. So I'm going to add seaming allowance here. As you can see, I've added the seaming allowance there. So I cut 2 pieces for the collar. So the collar is 2 pieces like this, as you've seen. So after the cutting, I'm going to stitch it together like this. So pay full attention to the stitching part. So I'm going to place the front to face each other like this, and I'm going to start my stitching here. So when I'm done with the stitching, so I'm going to notch this area like this. So I'm going to turn it to the right side. After turning it, this is how it will looks like. And I'm going to notch the center of it. After notching the center, I'm going to stitch this area like this. So now the next thing is to attach the collar to the V-neck. So I'm going to notch the center back of the neck. So this is the collar, and I'm going to place the center I notch from the collar. I'm going to place it exact on the center back of the neck, and I'm going to start the stitching there. After I'm done with the stitching of the neck, I'm going to attach the sleeve and I'm going to finish the stitching, and this is how it will look like. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video.